Let's see how to fix Xiaomi electric scooter error code 24, which is wrong voltage supply error. This error occurs when the scooter is kept in charge for a longer period where the battery is getting overcharged. First remove the battery cover, then remove all the connections to the battery, then take out the battery. This particular battery pack has a voltage of 36 volts. When the battery is overcharged, it gives a higher voltage to the motor controller, which causes this error to occur. So you have to manually discharge the battery using some electrical components. First, measure the battery voltage using a multimeter attaching the probes to the pointed connection. Normally when the battery is overcharged it gives a reading of more than 40 volts. So you have to discharge the battery to get it below 40 volts. So I used this setup for discharging the battery. You can connect 3 12 volts vehicle headlamp lights in series and connect the ends to the battery. Keep discharging the battery until the voltage drops below 40 volts. You should use high current consuming setup to discharge the battery, otherwise it takes longer time to discharge the battery. When the voltage is below 40 volts, fix the battery and all the connections back. Turn on the scooter. Voila! It is fixed. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.